Welcome to our comprehensive guide on the ultimate keto meal plan. In this video, we'll delve into what this plan offers, its benefits, and how it can be a game changer on your keto journey. Let's get started. The Ultimate Keto Meal Plan is a meticulously crafted program designed by Claudia Caldwell, an expert in the keto diet. It's not your average keto meal plan, it's a pathway to success. The keto diet is renowned for its effectiveness in weight loss, and it's beneficial for various health conditions like diabetes and epilepsy. Claudia's plan simplifies the keto journey with incredible benefits. 1. Comprehensive guidance. Claudia's program is a step-by-step guide that ensures you never feel lost. Whether you're a keto newbie or an experienced dieter, the plan offers detailed instructions that are easy to follow. 2. Delicious and high-quality recipes. Say goodbye to bland, traditional keto recipes. Claudia's approach focuses on creating high-quality, delectable dishes like shakshuka, keto baba ganoush, and coriander-infused wonders. These meals will win over anyone, keto dieter or not. 3. Boosted energy levels. Many users report increased energy levels while following this meal plan. It's not just about weight loss. It's about overall well-being. 4. Access to ketosis. The plan aims to get your body into a state of ketosis, where it burns fat for fuel efficiently. It's the secret behind keto's impressive weight loss results. In conclusion, the Ultimate Keto Meal Plan by Claudia Caldwell is a game changer in the world of keto diets. You don't have to struggle with strict recommendations anymore. With this plan, you can achieve your goals effectively. But here's the exciting part. You can try this plan for just $1. It's a risk-free opportunity to experience the benefits of the Ultimate Keto Meal Plan for yourself. Simply click the link in the video description to get started on your journey to keto success today. Remember, this isn't just about weight loss. It's about transforming your life. Click the link below and take the first step towards a healthier, happier you. See you on the inside of a program.